You think that import piece of trash stands a chance? All right, and we've made it to Costco, if I can zoom in on that.
You can't.
No, I could try.
No, you can try. You'll get about 7 pixels out of that.
Exactly. And then we're gonna go get hot dogs, and then I think it's a Friday night, right? And then we're gonna go terrorize downtown. They said spring's coming early, so we're gonna go terrorize downtown early.
Yeah, spring's coming early. It's only about -10, which my watch does not tell me. Let's go to the back. I'm gonna start from the back.
Yeah, exactly. As you guys can see, oh wow. As you guys can see, we did not stay at Costco because they didn't have any glizzies. It was really unfortunate.
I was extremely upset.
What? No, your ass does not sound that good. We've arrived at a very special place. Which ones we want to go on? I think the Burnout Bay.
Burnout Bay.
Yeah, the Burnout Bay.
This is the Cadillac's.
Yeah, this is the Cadillacs. This is where. There's another one. There's another one. Yo.
What the fuck?
Yo, what?
That's like as loud as my Mustang.
No, you're not in the middle.
I don't want to be.
It's not that bad. See, it's not that bad.
Oh my god! Yo, this is the best thing ever.
Why is it so warm back here?
I don't know. Holy, that is awesome.
That is a good noise.
Now we're back out.
Hello.
How are you?
Joined.
How are you?
Tired, but I'm here now.
Good.
Camera car.
Yes.
I'm glad that I'm getting not paid.
You were volunteering. Listen, no one gets paid.
No one ever gets paid.
There's no
You
money
don't
in this
get paid.
channel. I lose money every time I turn
know.
the camera on.
Yeah. At least it's fun.
Buddy, feel the fucking power.
You feel all 2.4 liters.
I do feel all 2.4 liters. Oh, your window is. I
Broken?
put the window all the way down.
Oh,
That was a mistake.
good job.
Thanks.
You see, there's an issue with all Saturn cars. When the windows go all the way down, you can't put them back up in the same track. It was actually designed that way,
So you wouldn't put the windows
just so
down?
you wouldn't buy a Saturn.
It's very quiet.
Yeah.
It is. It's nice.
Extremely.
Very.
Unbelievably so.
I think the Honda behind you likes it.
Yeah, I think they do too. Judging by his factor, like 70 feet.
Hello. Hello again.
Funny seeing you here.
It's like the third time I've seen you.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yo.
We're going to Mexico.
Hey, yo, what kind of shit you trying to pull, son?
It's all
What
you.
the fuck you trying to do? Trying to get someone fucking killed?
Let's just help. He's scary. He really doesn't know how to drive.
You really think that's a good fucking noise? Cadillac, baby. You think that import piece of trash stands a chance? Commie car?
Yes, go, Caddy, go.
I hit the wrong pedal.
Oh, that second one was my ride, so I guess I'm just out here now. I hear something. I don't know if it's my car. Oh yeah, that's my car. That's the Ion. That's good. That's really great. Hello?
Don't go flying up airport, up the road towards the terminal. It's pure ice. We just went completely sideways. We threw into the ditch.
Okay, Simon left me on the side of the road, so let me call him real quick.
Okay. I'm just getting around the ditch, but it is really icy. You should tell him not to.
Like on the side roads there or on the main road?
Like when you turn left to come into the airport terminal, we were going around the corner. The whole last time came out. Yeah.
Oh.
And I'm like, oh god, that's ice. And I'm like, because I was kind of sending.
I did you floor it onto that terminal road?
Yeah.
Okay, I could hear you clear as day.
Yeah, he left a fucking smoke cloud coming up. You should have had that on camera. Yeah, he was like fucking sending it.
I'll see you in a minute.
Hi.
Apparently you did a burnout?
No.
It was a smoke show is what the guys are saying.
When?
In Mexico.
Oh. No,
Yeah.
that wasn't me. That was the other side.
Oh, there's the other side.
I saw
the
him.
red
He
line, the
went
good
flying
one.
by. No, it was 2.4.
Oh, the power tower?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Drop.
This is Simon's day today. We're arriving at the airport now. There's the Cadillac over there. Simon's at the wheel. Anyway, so the Cadillac sounds really good. Oh yeah. Give her a fucking rev, bud. Rev it again, rev it more. Hell yeah. Okay, anytime, Simon. Get the reaction. It bangs. It does bangs and pops.
All right.
Alright, 3.
That's how we win, baby! If you can't win, cheat! Woo!
And hazards. Wow, he didn't throw him. I'm shocked. So we're gonna race the Cadillac. Clearly it needs an advantage. So this is the advantage. We're in reverse. At some point he's got to start, right?
There he is.
Here he comes.
Well, everybody. Welcome to the end of the vlog now. The Ion, again, beat the Cadillac 17-2. We didn't film the other 15 runs because Brayden was too embarrassed that he got gapped all the way to Gapplebee's. And anyways, anything to say, loser?
All you need is half the engine
speechless, see?
size.
Yeah.
Half the engine size is faster.
Yeah. And just a better driver
The
overall.
horsepower
Yeah, it's
figure
really the
says
driver
69.
mod.
Yeah.
Yeah, this horsepower, yeah, it does have a 69 in the horsepower
I know.
figure.
So duh.
Is there anything you would like to say to the people?
Yeah, what's your favorite word?
Yeah, what is your
I
favorite
need the
word?
script. Hold on.
Where's the script? Yeah, hold on, Sean will get
Pull
you
it
the
up.
script. Normally Trevor, this is Trevor's job, but he's not here.
There, that's the script. Your best friend, right?
Yeah. Thank you for sticking with me on this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.